Welcome to the project demonstration of intelligence-based trash and recyclable sorting robotic arm. So here the robotic arm will detect the trash, whether it is a dry or a wet or a metal. So based on that identification, our Arduino Uno board will control the three servo motors. We are using 3 degree of freedom robotic arm to sorting of this waste. This one is a dry bin, this one is a wet bin, and this is a metal bin. So that will be identified with the help of the 3 sensors: IR sensor and wet sensor and metal sensor. So whenever the system will get the only IR sensor inputs, then it will consider as a dry waste. So if the system will get the IR plus wet inputs, then it is a wet like a waste. And if the system will get the input from this IR as well as metal, then it's considered as a metal wastage. And based on that, the system will rotate the 3 servo motors. One is for the arm fingers open close and elbow up down, and the base motor for rotation of this system robotic arm. So here we are providing the input from this IR sensor, wet sensor and metal sensor at the Arduino Uno board, the pin number of 10, 11 and 80 pins, and the LCD which will show the status of the which waste was detected, that will be displayed on the LCD, which was connected at the pin number 2 to pin number 7, and servo motors are connected at the 8, 9, 10 pins directly. And here we are providing the 5 volts DC input for the Uno board and 5 volts DC input for this servo motors through this transformer and regulated power supply board and LM2596 voltage regulator we are using. This is the voltage regulator LM2596, and this one is the wet sensor amplifier. This one is the regulated power supply board which will convert the 12 volts AC to 12 volts DC output, but the operating voltage of our servo motors is 5 volts. For that purpose we are regulating that to 12 volts to 5 volts directly. And now let us see the demonstration. Right. Okay, so this one is like dry wastage and metal, and when we apply water to that, it will become the wet wastage. On the power supply to the Uno board and also power supply for this servo motor section. So then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. We can see that, and now it is displaying the monitoring. Now let us see that. So if I place the dry wastage on this, right. So on LCD we can see that it's dry detected, placed in that. Okay, and if wet applied to that, just I'm applying water to that. So we can see when we place the wet over there, we can see the another light will get switched on. And next, metal inputs. So when we place the metal, the continuous buzzer should come. Sorry. So the placing is very important. Right. Okay, so here the one more precaution we should take care of while demonstration. So when we place the dry object or any object over here, then only the second light gets switched on. If it is continuously on, then it's an indication of external sunlight is falling on this IR sensor. We should take care of that. It should not fall on that. Right. And coming the wet also, the so-called another light will get switched on. We can see on that. Right. Yeah, so if this particular light not gets switched on, it's considered as a dry wastage only. The both lights should get switched on. You can see that. Now it is wet. Coming to the metal indication, the continuous buzzer will be there, the indication of metal detection. Right.